Video is for my laboratory exercise number 8, and this is about WAN or wide area network configuration and routing system. So in able to perform this laboratory exercise, again I need a Cisco packet tracer, which is already here, and this is the continuation of the laboratory exercise number 4, which I did like 2 weeks ago. So procedure. After doing the experiment in lab 4, we will now establish a WAN link. Make sure that the experiment 4 is completed before proceeding in this experiment. So luckily I saved that one. Okay, so this is the laboratory exercise number 4, which I did 2 weeks ago. Number 2, in configuring the WAN connection, click on the Cisco WAN router and select config mode. Okay. And then choose interface serial 0/0/0. Configure the interface serial 0/0/0 by designating the IP address to 192. Then press the tab key and enter the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 on the interface. Okay, and then set the clock rate to 5600. So clock rate. Enable the port status to on mode. Okay, then click on the new router and select the config mode. Okay, and then change the display name and host name to Cisco_2. Display name and the host name Cisco2. Okay, and then configure the interface serial 0/0, so this one, with the IP address of this number /-2.2.2. Okay, then press the tab key, subnet mask 2522255. Yep. Again, enable the port status to on mode. Okay, so note the indication that the link is successful is when on the serial link the red blinking light should change to green, showing that the link is active. So yeah, it's green. Configure the routing protocol. Click on the Cisco WAN router and select the config tab. Okay, and then click the RIP and then add the network address. RIP network address 1.0. Yep. And 2.0, right? 1.0, 2.0, yep, add. Click on the Cisco 2 router and select the config tab, then click on the RIP and add the network address 2.0. Okay, RIP 2.0. Okay, and then go to each PC address and set the default gateway to 192.168. Default gateway 192.168.1 each. Okay, so config. Okay, then in setting the default gateway on the PCs, enter. Yeah, I did that already, and click on the PC0, PC1. Yep, I did. And then test the connectivity of the network by clicking the simulation mode. Yep, here is. I'm fine. Go here, and then go down. Yeah. And then I think it's okay now. Okay, so questions to be answered within the video as well. What is the difference between LAN connection to WAN connection? So LAN or local area network is a computer network that covers a small area, like for example a home, an office, or a group of buildings. While WAN or the wide area network is also a computer network, but it covers a broader or a wider area. Since one covers wider area, the speed of the connection will be affected as well. So the speed of LAN is high and the speed of WAN is lower than LAN. So in short, LAN has a higher data transfer rate and WAN has a lower data transfer rate. Number 2, can we establish a communication from one point to another having the same networks? So my answer is yes, because as network communication allows application programs to talk with each other without regard to the hardware or operating system which they are run on. So yes. Number 3, why do we need to configure the router? Okay, so we need to configure the router because it will help you to identify as the backbone of your network in your homes or in your offices and or a group in the building. So proper configuration of your router will protect your information from prying eyes, and also it will help you securely connect all the devices in your home or offices. Number 4, what can you conclude from this activity? Therefore, I conclude that in order for a WAN to work, we need a router so that it can distribute the internet connection through your home networks. Also, I can say that LAN connection is far faster than a WAN connection.